Mutual sound, mutual struggle, the shared ground. I'm just another one for them to break down. Steeped in denial of every kind. Dream of a world.
Alright guys, first of all, thank you all for coming out today. The weather's looking really good. It's nice and cool right now. I want to get you out in the field. First of all, I'm going to go over the teams. So there's 3 teams right now. There's the SEAL team marked in the blue arm tape. We have the Nigerian Army over here in the white tape. And then any of you that do not have tape, you guys are the Nigerian Rebels. For your respawns, I'm going to tell you guys where each team's respawn is so you do not go through them. So first of all, the SEAL team, it's going to be the small island over here, down by the water. The Nigerian Army, white tape, is going to be up top, over here behind the fire base. And for the Rebels, your spawn point is out in the field. It's just to the left of the oil refinery. So you'll see a British and yellow "Don't Tread on Me" flag. It's pretty easy to see from a few hundred feet away. So for this first part, anybody who does not have tape on, you guys are going to be starting in the village. Your spawn point, as I said, is out in the woods though. SEAL team, you're going to be starting in your spawn, and Nigerian Army, you're going to be starting in your spawn up on the hill. Do not move through other teams' respawns. Dead men, do not talk. You can call for a medic, but that's it. We're using our standard 3-minute wounded rule, the same that we do all the time. And that's pretty much it. We're going to be going until 12:30. That'll be our first pause for lunch. It'll be about an hour, and then after that we'll get the game going again, okay?
They assassinated the king.
Yep. As one of those.
We gotta extract 4 nationals and bring in medical aid. And we'll assist with the White Army. We're gonna go to the meth lab and we're gonna go look for the doctor and try to get her out of there. 60 to bingo, boys! 60 to bingo!
They had 2 in the woods, I took them out, they're gone.
Go for Steve.
Hey, backside of meth camp, me and Jeff found the clue.
Good copy.
The U.S. aid is now ours. Our rebel army grows stronger with your every mistake.
Guys,
we got 2 clues.
We got 2 clues, 2 clues.
we're going to set up a right. Yeah, we're going to set up a line on your right side of the camp at the village 12.
Roger that.
Are they going up here?
Yeah. Hey, 3 clues now, 3 clues.
Copy, 3 crews.
He needs to,
Alright, what do we got? Let's play, piece them together, piece them together. Look and see what we got. What do we have on the map?
We got gold,
Your
doctor,
US
Prince and Doctor.
aid is ours now. So they have a US aid and a doctor.
yeah.
Alright, look at it. They're saying the
gold,
Prince
though?
and Doctor is right here.
Yeah, there's a gold
They're
medal.
marking
Yo, why
right
don't we take the gold, trade it to them for the hospital? That's where the
Yeah.
doctor was. Right?
Oh, so you
Yes.
got the Doctor?
They've got the doctor.
So yeah, we need to get the gold so we could trade them.
We can give
the
them. So we need to move
So
through
we
the
need to
village.
get into the
We gotta
village.
get into the village.
All right. I'll pass it up to my guys.
Hey, Steve, come to the back of the village. So your US aid is ours now. Our rebel army grows stronger with your every mistake. The Doctor is now with us. We demand the SEALs go home for 2 weeks killed. They said that they were here when the Doctor got taken, and
Blue dude, Steve, come in.
here's Steve. He's looking for you. They're saying that we got to get the gold so that we can make a deal to get the Doctor.
Get the gold in the village?
Yeah. So they said that they took the Prince. They also said that they think we have to go in. Right here. We have to go into the village to get the gold to make the deal, right?
Yeah.
That's what
That's what I'm thinking. If we hit the village, get the gold, and if we get something that we can trade or
make
deal
leverage,
with. Yeah. You got tape on both arms? Yeah. Jason, 10, we've got left? Nope.
Tanner, duck.
Dogtown.
Now we need to get into the village, dude.
We got 2 guys embedded on our right here, behind that bunker. Looks like we got a guy in that new building. More of that new building. Hey, white team, watch your fire!
White team, watch your fire! Blue tape on you!
Dark blue tape was not the best.
Are you kidding me? Yo, I'm blue tape, I'm on your team, man!
Yo, is the guy on your right hit?
Center building, center building!
Now, Jake.
He's hit one thing.
Cafe and new building. Cafe and new building are hot.
Alright, hit.
Oh, Jesus Christ, bro!
Oh, you got it? Oh,
Is that me?
that was good though.
Yo, Ray, come on, we're going.
Get in there.
Got friends.
No gold.
No gold. No gold.
Our objective is to maintain and control the village, and then we've got to take the boat dock by 11. Okay? That sound good?
They're not over there.
Sorry, brother.
Our intel?
Not good.
No, they're that way.
Hey, if you get him, you gotta go left with him. Hey, get him up and into that room. Left side of the wall. Get him up and into that room. Coming in. Yep.
Oh, what I need? Yeah. How many guys you got here? How many guys you got?
You should have a little bit more.
Go,
man, go, I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
I need you to swing around the right hand side.
Check the back, check the back. They're shooting guys in the back. People that need to stay low and go low. Hey, I got another
Radio check, radio check.
Responded
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Hang on,
Guys, you have eyes on the other end of that building right there?
Brian, we do have friendlies a lot.
The keep eyes are the guy that just pushed the bridge behind that building.
we helped out the white team get the boat launch, and now we're gonna go get some gold. So we're gonna go up to OGI now, and we're gonna go and hit it hard.
Hey guys on that ridge, keep a spot on that right behind Cafe.
So far we were told to hold the village, we held the village. We were told to hold the boats, we held the boats. We were told to move half the gold, we moved all the f***ing gold. Those Navy SEALs aren't getting anything, and neither is the Army. This is over. We're gonna win this. You're gonna go home sad. So sad. Excuse me, I have to go kill some people.
The one close to me?
They have things on a movie camera to be here on the front.
Charge up the main road. Can't get all of us.
Flat! Flat! We're charging!
Charge! What? We're charging!
Sorry, mate.
It's alright.
We got a bunch of panties on our team.
Yeah, we'll wait for it.
What happened? We charged you, did not!
Keep that tower, keep that tower.
Hey, I'm hit!
Really good.
Twist that. There's a pin under it. That's a cap. Okay.
That guy's still out.
Hold, shake, jump.
Hey. Hey.
Good.
Nice.
Nice.
Go. Left. He's hit. There's a guy hit out here, bud. We have plenty of people to move in.
I watched your other side too, Sam.
Yep.
No, we don't need a flag.
Miguel, you have your name?
Shit.
Oh. Well, that makes sense.
I could throw one and get it into that area.
I don't have a red rag, so don't put anything.
Where are they? Oh, so sorry.
Just move left to right.
Yo, are those friendlies in there?
Charlie Green, come in.
Right here, yes.
Right here.
You have it right?
My 12.
Yep.
Hit!
I fucking love those things.
You got that side?
Yeah, like, no offense, if you do man walking!
Hey, Tyler! You got a frag?
I got the guy in the window there who's been tanking the door.
We are sitting in the woods outside the village, so we can run full auto. But the backside wall is clear. Maybe one or two guys might be back there. I don't have a visual on them. The one that's
4579. 4491. Okay, here we go. 62. 66. 4515. 4515. If you take her, 6252. 4517. 4499.
Sorry, you need to get in touch with your team leaders. Bader over here is running the tape team, being the Nigerian Army. Steve is running the SEAL team. Steve, raise your hand.
Get ready.
Okay, Steve is running the SEAL team. Their respawns are both back here. White tape is up here still. Blue tape is down here. If you do not have tape on, don't go in the respawn. Plane team, you're being run by Sean. This guy over here. Woo! Your guys' respawn is still in the same location. There's 2 flags out there. Don't tread on me, yellow flag and the British flag. They're past the dock. The dock is not plane team's respawn, it's past it. So far everything's going great. I appreciate all you guys coming out. You've been pretty well tempered so far. Let's see if we can keep it up after lunch. Okay? Yeah, okay. That's pretty much it. Plane team, you're gonna start up on Kafir Hill, and tape teams, you guys are gonna start in your spots.
We're supposed to get the gold. We got to go and get all the green boxes. There's 2 green boxes. We got to go take those. I'm not sure where they're at. We got to find them.
I don't have eyes on top of the hill.
He's hit! He's hit! Peel this way. We gotta peel out. Yo, Murda! Peel over here, bud.
On the tree. One down over there. Hit. Yeah. We gotta move your way. Those spawners are literally 100 yards that way.
Let's go. I got a shooter over here. I got 2 shooters over here.
Okay, the fallen tree on the ridge line toward 12 o'clock.
He's trying to push the foot straight down the middle. It's Peg Roy, Swandair, native move, called bum rush. It's rarely successful, but when executed properly,
right to the rock. We're at the rock.
it's very fun. I just got shot.
Copy that. Alright, you're in the back left. Where the hell are you? What's your 20? Guys, trying to go get the gold at OCI.
So you're just hanging out?
I'm here for morale.
Yeah. Oh, all right.
Got people over there.
Make sure so that guy doesn't shoot at you again like they did me.
I didn't know if you were going like slow movement. So
No, watch out.
Oh!
Yeah, it was.
Oh, I want some that.
Hey, loop right, loop right.
I definitely hit you in the back.
Dead.
Dead man walking. Behind the cover. Ben, you good to bring that back to fire, man? Behind the cover. Hey, launch it.
Dead man walking! We can't go too close to the fuel depot because that's their spawn. The depot and the plane crash. GI, we searched for the gold. Your guys, Charlie squad.
Yeah, so we found gold, but we couldn't get it.
Was it up there? Do you know if they moved it? No idea. Okay.
I don't know if they know that they even need to go there, but we just keep hitting that spot so hard that they keep them.
Okay, what if we take this whole element and try and
wipe it?
Yeah, the objective was to, for the Nigerian army was to push up the Kafir Hill and take the missile components back to a secure location and hold them. We completed that objective just in time, and now we're moving on to push for intel on the whereabouts of a Nigerian prince, capture the prince and move him to a secure location for a set time.
How's it look up there? What's the objective now? They don't know?
Come on, get up here!
The BB sound effects.
Zach, there's a guy with a gun down there, and apparently I'm not getting him.
The guy that's prone, right?
Yeah, Peter, tactical.